principles that I live by now that I'm in my 30s. My niche is all about adulting stuff, living life. We can talk about this na. So if you're interested, please do keep on watching. Principle number 1 is, one day we will all be gone. So, huwag natin kalimutan to live fully every day as much as we can. Let's not take anyone for granted. Actually, don't take yourself for granted. First of all. What do you mean by that? There are days talaga na syempre pagod ka, tinatamad ka, gusto mo na lang humilata sa kama, manood. You forgot to see na that there's still a world out there that you need to explore. We are stuck in this social media na tingin natin, kailangan nating malaman lahat ng detail doon sa ating mga so-called influencers na fina-follow, na we wanted to get to a certain point sa buhay nila, or like gusto nating maging ganun sa kanila. Well, in fact, na tayo were being stuck in this phone, on this phone. Kaka-search, kakatingin sa buhay nila when we're already forgetting to live yung sarili natin, to live our own life. You have your energy, you have your time, use it wisely, do you. Tama ba yung sentence ko? So, ayun. Parang Nike lang yan. Just do it. Just do it. Gawin mo lang yung gusto mo. Maximize every opportunity you have in every day that you get to breathe. Okay? Okay ba? Number 2, nothing is worth it if it doesn't make you happy. Tanongin mo yung sarili mo lagi, does this thing make you happy? If check or no check, pass. Number 2, does it align with my values that would make me happy? Yes or no? Pag hindi, then that equals to meaning don't make time for it. Huwag mong bigyan or paglaanan ng atensyon and oras yung mga bagay na hindi naman nagpapasaya sa'yo. Or kaya naman kasi na-influence ka lang para bilhin itong certain na bagay na to, making you think that it would make you happy for a long run. But in the end, wala. It's just hype. Number 3 is you focus on what you want to see in life. If you search about the negative things, mga bad na news, of course, ang makikita mo is all about negativity. Pero if you would search and focus lang doon sa mga positive na mga bagay, then you'll see opportunities that would, I think, make you happy also. Opportunities na maging masaya ka, magawa mo yung gusto mo, maging happy ka about it. Like, for example, ang sinesearch mo is lagi na lang masama, then yung kinukonsume mo na yun, that would make you one. Unless sobrang lakas ng control mo, something like that. But if you would see na laging magaganda lang yung nire-research mo, ito pala, ang business opportunity na to is maganda because ganito, ganyan, ang daming matututunan. And yung mga natutunan mo na yun would, hindi mo alam, dahan-dahan pala, it molds you into a better person. It makes you better. Slowly forms you into your version 2.0, something better, bigger, smarter. Right now, those are the principles I try to live by, and I know as I get older, madadagdagan pa tong mga bagay na to. If this ever goes to your FYP, comment down below, ano ba yung mga principles din na sinusunod mo sa life mo. And please do share it. Early advice, women advice. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you want more contents like this, guys, please do like and follow.